If you're into computers or planning to buy a new graphics card, you probably come across the term VRM. But what exactly is a VRM and why is it so important? Let's explain it in a simple way. VRM, or Voltage Regulator Module, is a system that takes the high voltage coming from the power supply and reduces it to a level that the graphics processor can safely use. For example, while the power supply usually sends around 12 volts, the GPU cannot operate with such high voltage. That's where the VRM steps in and regulates the voltage to make it safe. This system includes components like MOSFETs, inductors, capacitors, and a controller. They all work together to deliver stable and clean power to the graphics card. If the VRM is low quality, the card can overheat, performance can drop, or the system might even shut down. So when choosing a graphics card, it's important to check not just the GPU but also the power system behind it. There's also something called phase count. The higher the number of phases, the more the power load is spread out, which means less heat and better stability. This is especially important for users who overclock their system. In short, the VRM is the power control center of the graphics card. It keeps everything balanced, protects the system, and ensures steady performance. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can meet again in future videos.